Ready to draw the funniest little ghost ever? Let's sketch 22 from Seoul with big eyes, silly faces, and glowing colors. Grab your pencils and let's go. BooBoo! Wow! 22 looks amazing already! But guess what? It's coloring time! Let's grab our favorite colors and make her glow! Awesome! Now let's make 22 shine like a star. It's glitter time! Wow! 22 is all glittery and glowing. You did amazing! Can't wait to draw with you again. See you in the next fun sketch.